Hi viewers, welcome back again in another vlog. Yes, beloved, today I am so happy, so excited to welcome you in another video. Guys, if today is the first time of seeing this face, if today is your first time of joining this family, please, you are highly welcome. I want you to use that opportunity to please subscribe to this channel, because this channel got a lot of great content to offer you. All right, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. Yes, guys, at the beginning of this year, I made a video that is still this year is a year of Operation Guinea, no mercy to your enemy. I equally told us that this year is a year where you forcefully take what belongs to you from the hand of your enemy. I also say that this year is a year where all your lost glory, your lost opportunity that you have lost in the hands of your enemy will be restored back to you if you can only follow my instruction on this channel, and you will see a very positive things will start happening in your life. So guys, today I have come with a very interesting topic. So please, I want you to pay a very good attention to listen or to hear what I'm about to say. Today we are going to be making a very strong video. Yes, in the title of this video, I target 7 days of 7 days Operation Python dance to your enemy. I repeat, today's video, I target 7 days Operation Python dance to your enemy. What do you need to do this Operation Python dance? Those of us that are in Nigeria, we know what when someone says Operation Python dance, so you know what that means. Even if you're not in Nigeria, when you hear Operation Python dance, you have already know what it means now. So we are making a video, a 7 days video on our enemy, titled 7 days Operation Python dance. Okay, so please pay attention. So for you to make that video against your enemy, for you to make that assignment against your enemy, you need 3 ingredients. And number one in our list is what? You need a python skin, you need a python skin, you need a plain sheet paper like this, a plain sheet paper like this, you need a biro. So all you have to do is do what? Is to write the person's name. If you know the name, write it. If you are sure, please, I don't want assumption, because I know that some people will say, if I'm not sure, what will I do? I have made series of videos here telling you guys that if you don't know the name of the person, there is no need of guessing. All you have to do is to generalize it. Say anyone, any man or woman, anyone at all. You understand? So when you are sure of their name, that is when you have to write it on the plain paper like this, and then you fold it inside this python skin. This is a pure python skin. This is not leather. It's pure python skin. Then put it inside this python skin, assuming that I have written the name of the person. Now I will not put it inside this python skin and then begin to fold it. You see, there is power in utterances, there is power in tongue. The mouth of human being is also the mouth of God. God has given you power to cause and to bless, to uproot and to plant. Therefore, when you are being given an assignment to do, please carry the assignment accordingly. When you are making an assignment and you are not talking, you are dumb, you are not saying anything, how do you expect that thing to work? Do you know that you can use your mouth to deliver yourself? You can use your mouth to take yourself away from any trouble at all, from any problem, from any predicament. You can use your mouth. So that is why I encourage you, whenever you are making anything at all, open your mouth, say it, and it shall be so. You understand? Everybody in this earth has a power which lies on their tongue. So I want you to make a very good of, make use of it very well when it comes to such matter. and you will see things will begin to happen in your life. Not when you are being given something. For example, you are being given a spiritual soap for you to use so that things will start working well for you. Instead of you, when you get this soap, instead of you to pray upon that, you start using it like that. Please, it doesn't work that way. When you are being given assignment on this channel, even in another people's channel, please follow it. Open your mouth, say something, make a wish, make a declaration, make an utterances. There is power in tongue. God has given us that power, and which lies on our tongue. So make use of it. And that is why whenever you curse somebody, you see that curse, as far as manifesting in the life of that person, that's because you curse it with angriness. The same thing happens. The same thing happens when you are praying to yourself. The same thing happens when you are making a wish to yourself. The same thing happens when you are praying against your enemy. Do you understand? Now, make your wish and then put it here, and then begin to fold it. Begin to fold it. As you're folding it, that is what you need to be saying. That as you are folding your enemy in the body of Python. In the body of Python. That is how Python is going to swallow them, both spiritually and physically. That is how Python is going to swallow whosoever that says you will not rest. That is how Python is going to swallow whosoever that says your blessing will not come this year. That Python is going to swallow whosoever that says you will not drive your car, you will not complete that project, that building that you have already started for a very long time in the village. If you have unfinished projects, please, this assignment is for you. If you know that you want to achieve something tangible this year, this video is for you. Do you understand? So that is how you are folding them inside the body of Guinea Python. Do you understand? That's how Python is going to swallow them. Beloved, who said that Python swallow? Is he not dead? The person is dead now, automatically now. So you make that wish, a Python will follow that person, will pursue that person spiritually and physically. And then you fold this and use something to secure the hole. Do you understand? So after that, now enter into 7 days fasting. You can decide to start 6 to 12 or 6 to 9, depending on your strength. Do you understand? It is not a compulsory that it must be 6 to 12. You can decide to do 6 to 9 or 6 to 12, depending on your strength. Do you understand? So, but make sure you complete it 7 days, praying with this prayer point, with this powerful utterances that I just made right now. Do you understand? So make it for 7 days, and after 7 days, look for a very, very good place to bury it. The same way you are burying it, that is how your enemies, that is how Python is going to swallow your enemy. That is how they are going to be buried. Do you understand? If you don't have anywhere to bury it, for those living outside country, if you don't have anywhere to bury it, you can roast it. You can use your stove, your gas, then roast it. But if you feel that roasting will cause problem for those living outside, you can look for someone who is well trusted and then ask them to do it for you. My beloved, you will see, in fact, after doing this assignment, you will see, in fact, those people that says you will not rest, those ones that says you will not complete your unfinished project in the house, those people that says this year you will not achieve anything, you will see how their life will end. You will see how things will become miserable for them. In fact, some of them will even go as far as confessing all their evil deed. When the torments become too much, you will see them coming face to face and be confessing to you. Please, guys, I encourage you to do this assignment. And if you want Arnold to do it for you, that is my work, to help people. You can contact me. You all know my number. Please, I am going to be calling my number. Do not copy any number on the comment section, because a lot of fraud are going on my comment section. Please do not copy any of my, even if someone write my number on the comment section, please do not copy it. Make sure that you copy directly from any of the video that I am always uploading. Okay, so if you have your pen, just copy my number, which is 090 5982 5779. 090 5982 5779. So guys, go ahead, perform this assignment quietly. You don't need to give any man of God money to pray for. You don't need to give them 200,000, 300,000 naira. Jesus Christ, you can do it on your own. With a little sacrifice, you can do it on your own. With a little money, you can do it on your own. And you see things will begin to change in your life. You will see that things will begin to work in your life. So guys, that is the end of this video for today. All right. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. All right. Share this video. Like it. All right. Comment on it. Let me see. So guys, I am going to call it a quiz here. Till we see on my next episode. See you guys on my next episode. Do have a wonderful weekend ahead. Bye bye.